Welcome to Howler, the first network for dog lovers. Let us show the basic functionality of the application. Registered users can directly log in. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page, where you can see the latest posts of your friends. Howler allows to share video and photos, and other types of multimedia content. On the bottom of the home page you will find links to sites related with dog care and petting. Content is suggested and ranked by the community. That way you will find relevant content. Related advertisement banners can also be displayed on the bottom of the home page. On the profile page you can see and edit your information, like the race of your dog, age and gender. You can also manage your friend list and photos. Dog Guide page offers several functionalities, but the most important is the mate search, for those interested in mating their dogs. It can help you find other dogs of the same race near you. Just provide the race and radius of the search and you will display the candidates. Finally, there is the map view that displays the location of other users around you. Let's have a closer look to the map. Within the map, the position of all the users in your neighborhood will be displayed, even of those that are not yet your friends. By clicking on the icons, you will be able to see the latest post of the user. You will be able to comment or like their content. As you zoom in or explore, you will discover more and more users. Like in these examples. This is Howler. Thank you for your attention. We hope you will join us.